students. You are welcome to today's class, Basic Technology. Today we are looking at the topic, orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain the meaning of orthographic projection, be able to explain type of orthographic projection, understanding of the principal views in orthographic projection, and also be able to draw objects in first angle orthographic projection. What is orthographic projection, or what is orthographic drawing? Orthographic projection is a method of producing drawing of an object so that it can be accurately fabricated, and it shows the size, the shape of an object, so that when you want to design an object, you can cut it accurately. We have three principal views in orthographic projection. The first one is the front elevation. In abbreviation, we call it FE, side elevation, and of course the plan. Look at this object here. This block object, when you look directly from the top, that's the plan view. When you look directly from the top, so this part will show you the plan view of the object. Why? If you take this side as the front elevation, then this side automatically become the side elevation. So this part, let's say this is a front elevation, and this side will become the side elevation of the object. Principal plane in orthographic drawing. We have two important planes, the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. And when these two planes intersect each other, they form four quadrants. The first quadrant here is the first, and the third here. So we make use of this, the first and the third quadrant in our projection. And this one gives us to the types of orthographic drawing that we have. And so we have the first angle orthographic projection and the third angle orthographic projection. And when you draw object in first angle, the layout will be in this format. That is, the front elevation will be on top of the plan when you draw it, and the side elevation to the other side. While the third one, the plan will be on top of the front elevation, and the side view will be at the other side. Drawing of the first angle orthographic projection of a block object. Look at this block object. So if you take this side as our front elevation, this side as our front elevation, then let's say this side is our side elevation, and of course this other part, when you look from the top, and this part will give you the plan view of the object. So let's quickly project this one. So from this block object, so in first angle, this is the symbol to represent the first angle, that is the angle first. So we have the front elevation at the top. Based on our format that I showed you the other time, we have the front elevation here, the side, and of course the plan under. So in that case, our front elevation, this side here, so we have the diagram to this side to show us the front elevation. So we have our front elevation presented to this side. Then the plan, that's the top part, this part, and this part will come under it, and the side elevation will come to the other side. So let's quickly project to this side and get our side elevation. So looking at this side, the side elevation will be this part and this part. So we have, from the projection, you are going to have something like this. So this one, front elevation, and first the side elevation. So at angle 45, you can project this one down, then project it to this side, then you project the top down. So this one will give you the plan view of the top. So the plan view, this part and this part will be here. So we have our plan. So for first angle orthographic projection, you have the front elevation on top of the plan and the side elevation to this side. We are going to stop here for today. So when we get to our Google Classroom, we talk more about it and more explanation will be given. Thank you.